What? What's behind these doors? Okay, just one peek. So creepy, but kinda cool. Ah! A spider! Okay, never again. Maybe this one's safer. Ah! Whoa! Cheese everywhere! Guess I'll make something delicious.
Cheese matzah. Milk. Butter. Food coloring. Beef. Pepper. Salt. Paprika. Butter.
Was close. All right, back to cooking.
Burger buns. Salad. Tomato.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it?
Wow, delicious.
I want to eat this now.
Oh no!
Oh no, my meat. I need help. Oops. Hello, duck. Daisy, I wanted to make churrasco, but it was burned. Don't cry. I will cook it for you. Okay, Daisy, I'm coming. Let's go! Hello. Hi there. Thank you. Please wait for a few minutes. Yeah. Wow. I will cook it.
Salt. Olive oil.
Honey.
Chili powder. Lemon.
Let me help you.
Potato. Wow, the food is so delectable.
Well, I want to eat too.
Here you are.
Wow!
Wow, slot game machine. I want to try. Come on! Oh no! I want to try my luck again. Come on! This is an octopus! I have an idea. Let's go home and cook with me.
Octopus. Tteokbokki. Bulldog sauce.
Cheese. Parsley. What? Why are you here?
I don't know. But I've got so much samyang noodles.
Okay, I will use it.
Okie dokie. Noodles. Water. Cheese sauce. Cheese powder. White sesame. Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it? Wow, delicious. I want to eat this now. So yummy. I love it. I need to buy something. I want to buy carrot and bell peppers.
Here you are.
Thank you. Let's go home.
Wow, I love it.
Amazing!
Tasty.
Daisy! Hey, Daisy! Come eat with me! It's too hard!
Oh, that's Lego. You can't eat that.
But I'm so hungry!
All right, I'll cook for you.
Thank you, Daisy!
First, let's make the dough together. Egg, sesame oil, milk, water, yeast, flour, butter, egg, sesame,
La 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 la.
Ah! What's that? Oh no, it's beef. Are you okay? Calm down. Let me bandage you up. I'll use this beef and you just take a rest, okay?
Okay.
Beef! Oil! Salt. Pepper. Bacon. Onion. Cheese. Barbecue sauce.
White sauce. Yellow sauce. Salad. Tomato. Pineapple. Purple cabbage.
Wow, the food looks delicious, doesn't it? Wow, it looks so yummy. I want to eat this now.